My experience from a visit to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Park.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
My experience from a visit to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Park, Atlanta, Georgia.
This is Kerry Prestige, and today I have visited Martin Luther King Jr. site. This is the museum where you can learn more about his history.
Nestled in the heart of Atlanta, Georgia, the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historical Park stands as a powerful tribute to one of the greatest civil rights leaders in history. This historical park draws thousands each year, not only to reflect on the legacy of Dr. Luther Jr., but to witness the very streets where the civil rights movement took root. It's more than a park, it's a journey through time, hope, and determination. The park was officially established in 1980 to honor Dr. King's extraordinary life and his enduring message of peace, equality, and justice. Initiated as a way to preserve the sites associated with his early life and work, the park grew with community and national support. It now serves both as a historical landmark and a living educational center that continues to inspire generations.
And I'm going to take you loud. You're gonna see part of the history by Martin Luther King Jr. He was an activist who fought for the human rights, and he said everyone has the power for greatness, not for fame, but greatness because greatness is determined by service.
Located at 450 Auburn Avenue, Northeast Atlanta, Georgia, the park is nestled within the Sweet Auburn Historic District, an area once dubbed the richest Negro street in the world. Easily accessible and deeply rooted in the heart of the city, this address holds more than just a location. It holds the legacy of a movement that shook the world. One of the most captivating sites within the park is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birth home. This modest two-story house at 501 Auburn Avenue is where the journey of a young Martin Luther King Jr. began. Visitors can take guided tours through the home, viewing preserved furnitures, family photos, and the rooms where he was born. It's a humbling experience that connects us directly to his roots. Just steps away lies the historic Ebenezer Baptist Church where Dr. King preached alongside his father. The sanctuary still echoes with the powers of his sermons. Nearby, the King Center, founded by Coretta Scott King, houses his final resting place in the reflecting pool. Inside, exhibits showcase his writings, speeches, and the continuing work of nonviolent activism. From Freedom Hall to the I Have a Dream World Peace Rose Garden, every inch of this memorial park is steeped in history and hope. Martin Luther King Jr. National Historical Park is not just a place to visit. It's a place to feel, to learn, and to carry forward the legacy of justice and love. For anyone seeking inspiration or understanding, this park is a powerful step in the right direction. It has been the best experience that I have had, and a learning and reflecting opportunity that I have had since I landed to destination. And especially, this is the holiday, and I will live to remember and narrate to my children and my countrymen. I'm a happy man as I flew back to Seattle, Washington.
poor little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
I have a dream. Martin Luther King Jr. Podium. Thank you.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.
Pacific